Try this and you will never want frozen chicken again. I'm gonna show you how to make my family's favorite easy chicken cutlets. These are crisp on the outside and so juicy inside. You're gonna make these over and over, and they're make ahead friendly. And I am totally craving some chicken, so let's get started. The secret to having the juiciest chicken breast is to prep it correctly. You'll want to start by trimming it, remove any excess fat if you see it, then cut your chicken breast in half lengthwise. You'll end up with 8 chicken cutlets. Even if you cut them in half evenly, they'll still have a thicker side and a thinner side, so the next thing you want to do is to pound them out. You can do this between sheets of plastic wrap, but to contain the mess, I like to put them into a large zip-top bag. Add a few at a time, seal the bag tightly, and pound them out. A meat mallet is an inexpensive and handy tool, but if you don't have one, no worries, you can use a rolling pin or even a heavy saucepan. Pounding the cutlets does 2 things. It helps them cook evenly and it tenderizes the chicken. Once you have those pounded out, season all over with salt and pepper. I do season generously at this stage because it adds tons of flavor to the chicken. Pounding the chicken just takes an extra few minutes, but it is a game changer for juicy chicken. Next, set up your breading stations. In the first bowl, add your flour. In the second bowl, beat together 2 eggs and a tablespoon of water. Beat that together with a fork to form your egg wash. In the third bowl, you're gonna add your panko breadcrumbs and some finely grated Parmesan cheese. Add Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and salt. Stir that together to combine, and our breading stations are ready. Use tongs or a fork to move the chicken between breading stations. This will keep your hands clean. Start with the flour, tap off any excess, then dip into egg wash, let any extra drip back into the bowl, and finally put it into your breadcrumbs. You'll want to repeat that process with every chicken cutlet. To help the breading stick, you can use your hands to press the chicken cutlet into the breadcrumbs. You should have an even coating all over. Oh yay, just enough eggs. Love it when that happens. Hate it when it runs out. It's perfect. Once all of your cutlets are breaded, let them rest for about 10 minutes. This will help the breadcrumbs to stick better, especially while you're cooking your cutlets. To pan fry these, use a large heavy skillet, I'm using my cast iron, and add enough oil to completely coat the bottom of the pan. Heat the oil until it's shimmering. It should be about 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and when you add the cutlets, they should sizzle. You'll saute for about 2 minutes per side or until they are golden brown on both sides, and the inside should register at 165 degrees Fahrenheit on an instant read thermometer. Because we've thinly pounded out these chicken cutlets, they will cook very quickly, so make sure you don't overcook. Add more oil to the pan as needed and repeat with the remaining cutlets. Once they're done, transfer them to a wire rack and immediately sprinkle with flaky salt. Oh my goodness, I am so hungry. And this is totally calling my name. What I love about this is you can make it ahead. You can freeze it before it's cooked. You can freeze it after it's cooked. It'll last for up to 4 days in the fridge after it's cooked. It's perfect for meal prep. Kids love it after school. It reheats really well on the skillet or the air fryer. It's just so good. And when it's breaded like this, it doesn't taste like reheated chicken. It's like the best. Once it's off the oil, make sure you give it a generous sprinkling of salt. That really makes it, like anytime you fry something, I feel like that is just the secret ingredient. It takes it over the top. I also like to squeeze some fresh lemon juice, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then serve this chicken with wedges of lemon because I feel like no matter how much I put on, I always wanna put a little extra. It's so good, it's so fresh. So I'm just gonna cut myself some slices here because we have to get on with this taste test, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now I need more. That was like it just freshens it up because if it's a fried something, lemon juice cuts the richness. It's just a must. That's secret number 2 if we're talking secrets. Okay, and I'm gonna just start enjoying this because I'm seriously so hungry for this. You can eat it as a main course with like rice or mashed potatoes. You could put it over a creamy pasta. You could put it into a sandwich. There's so much that you can do with this recipe.
You can eat it cold like I did.
You can eat it cold like my husband did. It's just really, really a great chicken recipe. Which one will we eat? This guy. Right here. It looks extra crispy and so juicy. I'm just gonna cut right into this. Oh, I forgot. We're going to add a little bit of fresh parsley.
Vegetables?
Yes, you have to serve this with vegetables, and that is in the form of fresh parsley. We're gonna add some salad. A little pizzazz here. I've got a little extra pizzazz for the rest of it, which I'll do later. Mama is hungry. Oh, look at that. Crunch, crunch, crunch. And it's just such a juicy, juicy center. Look at that juicy chicken breast. This is one of the juiciest ways to cook chicken breast because normally it's like prone to over drying and being kind of tough if you overcook it. It's not very forgiving, but when it's breaded, it is. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take a bite.
So what do you think?
It's so good. I've been chewing for a while and it's still crunchy. Wow. And because I pounded it out, it cooked through evenly and it cooks super fast because it's just a cutlet. It's very slim, just a couple minutes per side and it's done. I love that quick cooking chicken. Oh, I cannot wait to eat the rest of this. This is definitely gonna be lunch and it's gonna be lunch for the kids after school. And we might have some left over for dinner. We'll see. Let me know what is your favorite way to serve chicken cutlets. Also, we have some great chicken recipes in our cookbook, so make sure you check that out. It is chock full of family-friendly, family favorite recipes. If you haven't got your hands on a copy of that, I will leave a link in the notes. Let me know where you guys spotted Sharky in the video. As always, the first person to spot him in a live premiere will get the Amazon gift card. If you guys have any recipe requests, let me know in the comments, and we will see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Okay. Come to mama. Okay, and like I said, it's a little bit of more lemon juice. It doesn't hurt. It's so nice. I guess we're adding vitamin C. Look at us making healthy chicken.
What about Chick-fil-A sauce?
I said we're making healthy chicken, okay? Chick-fil-A sauce. That's what my kids like. Maybe I should come up with a homemade Chick-fil-A sauce. Let me know if you would like that in the comments. Okay, can I have another bite? I will. Oh, even better with the lemon juice. You can use this chicken for chicken Parmesan. So good. Okay, cut. Cut the cameras. Come and eat, because I'm so digging this. This is so good. Whoa.